Before you listen to the sound effects, I have to let you know that if you click on the link in the description down below this video, you can download all the sound effects for free. Also, we did not create this sound effect, but we have collected this because we use these in our videos and we wanted to share them with you. Now let's listen to the rest of the sound effects. Thanks for watching this video. Now I know you like this video, so make sure go ahead and smash that like button right now. And make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video.